Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Flying Together employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, typing Flying Together login, then hit enter. Then type on the website having URL as ft.ual.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And here you need to provide your UID or your username and password to log into your account. So type your username in the text field given for your username. Then type your password in the text field given for your password. If you no longer remember your password and want to reset it, you can do so by tapping on this text, password help. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you'll be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.